Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we're doing my empties video for December 2022, the last empties of the year. I actually used a lot of stuff up, so let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, I am wearing the Axiology Lip to Lid Balmy in Rosé on my lids, on my cheeks, and on my lips with a little gloss over top, and it's alright. Honestly, the texture is a little weird going on the lips, but it wasn't so bad going on the lids. And the cheeks, it did blend out really nicely. It's a little hard for me to blend out on the lid with my nails being as long as they are, but it looks okay on the lid. I thought it would not look as nice on the lid, but once I got the liner and mascara on, I wasn't so mad about it. I actually think it's my least favorite on the lips, but I mean, it's alright. I would definitely use it. I think maybe this is just not the color I would personally pick for myself. I think that's where I'm struggling. Otherwise, it was very easy to use, very easy to blend, and I do love how everything is compostable. So that's my review on that. Now let's get into the empties. Okay, I've got quite a few little packety things, so let's go through those first. I have the Pacifica Glowing Makeup Removing Wipes. I don't go through makeup wipes very often. I think they purchased these in like March or April. I think I bought these to go to take with me on my Vegas trip, maybe. So that was like April-ish, I think. Yeah, so I don't go through these fast. I'll probably end up buying the same ones again next time I head to Target or something, just because they're accessible and easy to find. And I know they're vegan and cruelty-free. And yeah. I don't love buying wipes, but once in a while they do come in handy, especially during traveling. These are little like upside down Santa hat eye mask things that my friend Anne sent me for Christmas, and they are ridiculous. I don't know if they actually did anything except make you look silly for like 20 minutes doing them, but it was fun either way. Yeah, I can't recommend them. I really don't think they actually did anything, but they were kind of fun. Then we have from Beauty Host, the Pomegranate Firming and Brightening Mask. These usually come from Medusa's Makeup, and I think they're fun. I think that they probably do serve some kind of purpose, mostly a hydration purpose, but they come so soaked in whatever the serum is that they have in them. So you literally have to wring these out before you use them, and they're still soaking wet at the end of the recommended time to wear it. So I wish they'd put less product in here. I don't know that I've ever asked for that before, but they do come really sopping grossly soaked. Aside from that, the Beauty Host ones are alright. Like I've said before, I don't buy these for myself anymore, but they are fun to do. And the last little packet item are the Mighty Patch, the original. Just went through these. I don't know that I have a favorite pimple patch brand, since I don't go through them very often to really consistently see how they perform. Any of them are fine to me. These were fine too. I'll probably, when I need to repurchase, because I think I have another pack, I'll probably just buy whichever ones I get my hands on first, wherever I happen to shop from whenever the need arises. So yeah, these were good too. Very good. Now I have a couple of large items in here that I want to get through, so let's pull them out. I have the Hello Naturally Healthy Anti-Gingivitis Mouthwash. This is the one I buy over and over again because it is gentle on the mouth and it's easy to find on Amazon in a 3-pack. So I like that one a lot. I also have the Paula's Choice Enriched Calming Toner, which is probably my favorite one from them, but honestly any of the Paula's Choice toners are good. They all don't vary that dramatically. I just try to always have a Paula's Choice one because I like those the best. So definitely recommend. And then I have a shampoo and conditioner from Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo and the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Conditioner. Now I ended up switching the tops on these because this one, the shampoo came with the pump and not the conditioner, but the conditioner is thicker and harder to get out, so the pump was more needed for the conditioner. Although personally I don't care for the packaging on either of them. I think they should be in something that you can squeeze. These are not very squeezable tubes or tubs or bottles or whatever. The product is good, but I wouldn't repurchase just because I don't care for the packaging, and I don't think you get the most out of your product with this kind of packaging, which feels like you're kind of being cheated. So, good product, shit packaging. I finished up this little fragrance that I probably came in a Petite 4, I think. It's the Ellis Brooklyn Myth Eau de Parfum, and I actually really like this scent. I'm considering buying a full size of this because I am quite fond of that. So there's a little fragrance win. I finished up the Mud Masky Melting Mud Cleansing Mask 3-in-1. I just use it as a cleanser, and as a cleanser it is very, very gentle, very mild. It would be good for a morning cleanse or an end of the day cleanse if you've really not done anything but wear your skincare all day. If you are wearing makeup, this is not going to cut it. You will need to use a oil or balm to remove your makeup and then cleanse with this on top. And you probably need to cleanse twice with this because it's really not a great cleanser for heavy duty use. This is for just washing your bare ass face when nothing is going on that you need to really get off. So if you need a gentle cleanser, this is definitely a really good gentle one, but otherwise it really is not a great cleanser, so meh. I finished the Measurable Difference Lactic Acid Skin Renewal Facial Serum. I really liked this. My skin responds really well to this, and I'm quite fond of the product. It's something I'd definitely consider repurchasing. Something I've also already repurchased. Well, I bought a new one. I don't know if I bought it in the same color because this was a special holiday color. But this is the Tarte Lip Quench in the color Holly. I think it's probably one of their pinky rose colors, but I've worn that down to the nib, and I really love the lip quenches. They are on sale in Sephora. I think Sephora is probably not going to stock them anymore, so I got the color that was left when I purchased. There was only one left. I have one of these still at home in like a nudie shade, but that's only got like a little bit left too, so I figured we'll make some more. But I might end up getting more of these from Tarte's website as well, just because I really, really like this product. 3 things left. I finished from Sephora by OPI a nail color. I don't know, it doesn't say what color it is. It's just like a red, but I killed that little sample. I also finished the Castana, I guess? I don't know. I think this was a foot cream, a Nourish foot cream. Natural Nourish. It was some kind of foot cream that I didn't end up using as a foot cream. I used it as a hand cream instead because honestly I just lotion my feet when I lotion my whole body when I get out of the shower. I don't specifically make time for my feet. I don't know. I don't like touching feet, so I'm never going to do like a spa on my feet. Probably. I'd just go and get a pedicure instead. But I finished this. I used it as a hand cream, and as a hand cream it was phenomenal. My hands really liked this. And the last item, this is the Ethique Wombar Solid Shampoo for normal hair. This is pretty good. I don't know if it's quite as good as the Super Zero, and when I say that I mean like there's maybe like the 0.0001% difference. I think I like the Super Zero bar better, but I'm still gonna finish this. Obviously this is just the packaging because you put the bar in the shower, so that bar is already in the shower. I've already used it several times. It's not technically an empty, but the package is empty, yeah, you know. But yeah, I really like this one. I'm happy to use it. It's pretty darn good. One of the better ones I've tried. And that is everything I finished in the month of December. I have several items that I'm like so close. I'm so close, so you'll see those in January. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!